Hello everybody, welcome back to another Google Chrome AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use the new Bing.com or the new Bing Chatbot inside Google Chrome. You don't have to use the Microsoft Edge or anything else. This also apparently works on Firefox, but I'm going to show you the Chrome version. Very simple to do. You'll see here that I'm logged into Chrome clearly, and here we go. It's working. So hi there. I hit enter and boom, we've got something going on there with the chatbot. How do you do it? It's very, very simple to do. Keep in mind, though, that this won't work if you don't already have an invite to the new chatbot. So Bing will have to have sent you, or Microsoft would have to have sent you this. Assuming you've got that invite, all you got to do is go to Google and then type this in, Bing Chat for all browsers. When you do that, you're going to see a couple of links. This is the one. It's called Bing Chat for all browsers. Click on it. You can now add this extension inside the Chrome store, and it works right out of the box. I don't know how long this is going to work for, and it's kind of a replacement for Bing Unchained, which worked a few weeks ago, and now it stopped working. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.